gi kamiti mar Olympic e pacho kae mabiro siro tim Kenya madhi Paris e tuke. Jakom kamiti mar Olympic e pacho kae ndi Paul Tergat onyiso mor mare maduong' kaluwore gi sir makamano kowacho ni mano en mijing'o maduong' motelo ne tukego. Apisa maduong' mar omenda ka Safaricom Esther Waititu bende wacho ni en mor ma Safaricom manore gi tim Kenya ka gisingo mar medo sir mamoko e kinde mabiro.
Visa card that allows you and I to access. There we go. There we go. Thank you very much. Thank us to hold on a little bit. Now, Charlotte and stuff.
So our role as Safaricom is to bring people together. It is a power of connection. And hence the partnership that we have today between Visa, the National Olympic Committee, to support Team Kenya is part of how we connect hearts and souls together.
Coming from Team Kenya, I would like to express our depth of gratitude, joy, and pride as we welcome a significant partner to our journey to Paris Olympic Games. Team Kenya, represented by our athletes who have toiled over the last 4 years to secure a ticket to the Olympics, is truly honored to receive a much-needed arm of support from Safaricom towards